Everyone, my name is Naswa Novellia with NPM 2331214, and today I will present the flowchart of our mobile-based e-commerce application called Jaya Tanimismat. This application is specially designed to help users buy agricultural products such as fertilizers and then seeds and pesticides. And making this flowchart, I used the Draw.io website. So before we start to make flowchart, here I will to explain a bit about what is flowchart. Alright, flowchart is a diagram that visually represents a process or system using shapes and arrows to show the flow of operations. First is like an oval. Oval means start or end, and then rectangle means a process, and then diamond means decision point. This flowchart helps, of course, developers and then testers and users to understand the entire application workflow from login to order completion. And why this flowchart is important? Alright, before developing an app, having a flowchart to help the whole team understand how each screen connects and then avoids confusion during development and then ensure that the user experience is smooth. In our project, this flowchart made it easier to build features such as like authentication with Firebase and then order management, admin dashboard, and real-time updates. Alright, before jumping into the flowchart, let me explain a bit about the goal of the system. The application consists of two roles: the user, also known as the buyer or customer, and the admin, who manage the store and orders. The goal is simplify the buying process and help farmers or customers purchase agricultural goods without needing to visit the physical store. Alright, next is an explanation of the step-by-step preparation of the flowchart. Alright, for the step 1 is start. The flowchart begins with the start symbol, which is drawn as an oval. This symbol represents the entry point of our system, meaning when the user first opens the application. Next is step 2, user opens the application. This is represented by a rectangle, which is the started symbol for a process. The user opens the mobile application and is welcomed by the login or register page. And step 3 is user authentication. At this stage, the user has to choose register if they don't have an account yet, or login if they already have an account. In the registration process, the user will input their email and then password, full name, phone number, and address. Once registered, their data will be stored in Cloud Firestore under the user collections. And this process ensures that each user has a unique account. If login is successful, the user is navigated to the homepage where the product list is displayed. And then step 4 is product browsing. Here, the user can scroll and view various products like fertilizer, seeds, and pesticides. Each product has a name, image, price, and category. This action is again a process and represented by a rectangle. And the next, step 5 is adding to cart. After, after viewing product details, the user can tap a button to add the product to the shopping cart. This is a key process in the buying journey. And then step 6 is checkout and shipping. The user process to check out where they fill in the shipping information, like a delivery, address, and shipping method. And now comes a decision point, drawn as a diamond asking shipping method. If the user select pick up at store, there will be no shipping cost. But if the user selects delivery, then a shipping fee is added to the total. These two paths are shown as different branches in the flowchart. And the next is step 7 is choose payment method. Another decision diamond appears asking is choose payment method. Options include COD or cash on delivery and bank transfer or Dana. After selecting the method, the system automatically calculates the total price, including shipping if applicable. And the next is step 8 is order is saved to database. After confirming, the order is stored in the shop orders collection in Firebase Firestore. The order content is product details, buyer ID, shipping info, and stuff. And the next is step 9 is admin receives the order. The admin side of the application then receives a real-time update of new incoming orders. This allows the admin to take action. And then step 10 is admin prepares order. The admin checks the product availability and prepares the package. If delivery is selected, the item is shipped. If pickup is selected, the product is prepared at the store. Admin can update the status of the order too, like a processing, shipped, delivered. This allows both the admin and user to track the progress. And then last is step 11, user receives the product. Finally, the user receives the product and then the flow ends with an oval shape labeled end, showing the process is complete. Alright, so that was my explanation about the flowchart of our application Jayatani Misman. I hope this gives you a clear idea about how the system works.